Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, greetings, AliShanMao here. Welcome back to more RC video reviews. Yes, today the Rambler RS is going to fly with all the setup, that is SN Lite flight controller setup in it, and a 1000 milliwatt video transmitter, 5.8 GHz from Turbo Wing, and the camera I'm just gonna use the Firefly Q6 as an FPV camera and as a HD recording camera at the same time. Before flying, obviously I have to do horizontal level calibration. I have to make sure that the fail-safe RTH is set, and then when I fly it I have to test all the flight modes, including circle, auto, return to home. So wish me luck, let's fly it and let's see how it goes. Alright, let's do it. Let's take off in heading hold mode because it makes it very easy for the plane to climb to a safe altitude. A lot to do today. Today is very gusty, windy, extreme gust slapping the plane around, and I really don't want to make this video very long. I want to just keep it to the point. So after taking off, I will go across the river to test circling mode in stabilization. Still the wind is slapping it around. So yes, across the river we'll test the circle mode right here, activate. And I don't know why, I have probably set the cruising speed too high. You can see the plane climbs up to 108 km an hour. Oh my god. And then I activate RTH at the same time, so I can kill two birds in one arrow and test both features at the same time. On the RTH, the plane drops the speed back. Seems like my cruise throttle is working very well. Remind you that I'm running previous firmware. There's a new firmware 6.1 released for the SN Lite FC. At the moment, my SN Lite is not running that firmware. Alright, so now I'm back and I wanted to see if 120 meters altitude that I set for safe altitude, RTH altitude, is safe or not. It's really safe or not. Because we have some really tall building next to RC Airport. So here the plane is back, it's making a turn. Obviously Rambler RS, the best FPV long range FPV flying wing, is making a turn. And you can see we cleared the building. According to the height, the buildings are cleared. So 120 meters altitude is pretty safe for returning to home. Now I will put it to heading hold mode and go straight to this direction where I always fly, just to test the long range. But we are not going to call it long range today because we have set 2000 meter or 2 kilometer fencing, and it is time to test the fencing. I'm running a FreeSky L9R receiver, which they claim to have 6 to 7 kilometer range, but here I'm testing fencing, which is 2000 meters. 1400 meters and increasing, I'm going straight, and I see from my darker FPV view that there's a kind of a runway being built, and I was like, is that a no-no in this area? Are they building a kind of airport? What is it? Because I really don't want to fly over sensitive areas or airports or anything. You know, it's not good. So I will actually put the nose down and take a closer look at what that thing is. And here you can see, it's just a new stretch of road. So it seems like this area is pretty safe to fly long-range FPV. I can go farther later. 2000 meters done, the fencing obviously, and you can see how the plane immediately activates RTH, not the plane, the SN Lite FC activates RTH, and Rambler RS starts to fly back. Perfect. So in case if my receiver froze out or there was any trouble, I knew my plane will come back home after it hits 2000 meters range in any direction. So fencing working, RTH works, circle work, heading hold, stabilization, everything is working properly, and even Rambler RS is behaving really nice despite of all those extreme gusty windy slaps on it. Okay, so coming back, and I will dive to reduce the altitude. Beautiful view in front of me. There used to be a marina which you know, was float away during the flood, which was just last year in this river. The marina was gone. Now they built the marina somewhere farther. I will take you there on the next FPV flight and give you a tour of marina. After flying some aimlessly here and there just to see how things are going, how its Rambler RS is using the battery, now I am going to dive to come back and fly a little bit low altitude over water. So I thought the high voltage cables just running there across the river, I actually cleared them. So I kept diving, but I was actually wrong. I didn't see top left corner there was a high tower of high voltage cables, and right here I see the cables in my view. Ooh, that was close, man. These are high voltage cables. I pull up, save my plane, and now I will fly a little bit low altitude over water and back for landing. Here you will see the SN Lite FC will show me -6 or -7 altitude. Pretty strange it is, but it's because I actually initialized the flight controller on at the RC airport, which is definitely higher than this altitude. That's why the flight controller is actually, showing negative values. Now it's time to come back for landing. Okay, so we are coming back for landing, and here I will reduce the speed so much to stall the plane just to see if Rambler RS will flip or not. But hey, Rambler RS is the best plane for long-range FPV flights. It doesn't flip, it doesn't stall. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.